Byron says we've got one more round of strong wind this week. Okay, let's just get it over with.
Let's get it over with, and then we'll be good for the weekend. And next week, I think you're going to love. We'll get to that in just a moment. But look at Rio Rancho and Farmington right now. Calm wind. That is some good news. We still have a breeze for Ruidoso 1911 in Albuquerque, but nowhere near the strength that we've been dealing with. It was a chilly day out there. You see through our kind of ice-coated lens from the Crest Cam some rays of sunshine from that sun over Albuquerque right now, peeking through those clouds. Round 3 of strong wind for Friday. We got some snow and blowing snow across northern areas of New Mexico. And then, 70-degree temperatures in store next week. So we are looking at those wind advisories, wind warnings for the Central Mountain chain out to the east. That's for tomorrow, gusts 60 to 70 miles per hour. We do have a wind warning in the Guadalupe Mountains this evening as well. Fire weather warnings east in New Mexico as well, so avoid any burning. Raton, Las Vegas into Roswell and Carlsbad. Don't throw out the cigarettes. We're looking at those wind gusts right now that aren't too strong, anywhere from 20 to 35 miles per hour from Raton into Las Vegas, and Tucumcari 33 in Carlsbad, 29 in TRC, but not near as strong as yesterday. That will change for tomorrow. And with the breeze, we have chilly wind chills. Down to 21 is what it feels like in Taos, and 28 in Gallup right now, with temperatures in the 30s, 40s north, and mild down to the southeast with Roswell and Carlsbad in the 60s. The same for Hobbs, 56 in Lordsburg right now. Winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories from the northern mountains into southwest Colorado. Several inches of snowfall later tonight into tomorrow morning. Could be blowing snow around as well. We're seeing a snow shower trying to pop up around the Continental Divide and the Grants area ahead of that next system that is swinging from the Great Basin into the southwest, and that's going to swing into New Mexico as we head into tomorrow, tonight and tomorrow. So Albuquerque, light winds overnight, but notice those winds really ramp up mid-morning into the afternoon for tomorrow. We could have those gusts upwards of 40 to 50 miles per hour here in the Albuquerque metro area. Tracking the winds hour by hour, 7 o'clock in the morning. Already strong wind gusts around Farmington, Gallup. Could be some areas of snow and blowing snow as well. Watch what happens by mid-morning. Albuquerque, we're seeing those winds pick up. We're in impact mode from mid-morning into the mid-afternoon for Albuquerque. I think the strongest winds 11, 12 o'clock here in the metro. And again, those gusts 60 to 70 across the Central Mountain chain to the eastern part of the state. By the drive home for the kiddos on the bus, we'll see those winds coming down, and certainly by the drive home by 5 o'clock, most areas seeing those winds come down. And as we go toward dinner time, they begin to drop off quickly as that sun sets tomorrow. But watch out for those snow showers across the Four Corners region tomorrow morning. Could be some dicey travel up around Gallup into Farmington and Durango. I think that they will spread eastward but kind of fall apart. A snow shower possible around Santa Fe into Taos, Albuquerque, maybe a flurry real quick if we're lucky, but I think by the afternoon, most of that is out of here. And you see that snowfall heaviest across the mountains of southwest Colorado and the northern mountains of New Mexico. Farmington to the Four Corners, Durango, Chinle, Gallup, Grant. Strong winds tomorrow with some snow and blowing snow in the morning, and then quiet after that. Look at those 60s for next week. That will feel nice. Southwest New Mexico, areas of blowing dust with strong winds. Silver City, Lordsburg, Deming, TRC. Smooth sailing for the weekend after that, and near 70 by Tuesday, Wednesday. Into the southeast for those, so you got some strong winds for tomorrow into Roswell and Carlsbad, and then the weekend looking pretty good. Look at that. Shorts weather. 80s by Wednesday, Thursday of next week. Raton, Las Vegas, it's going to be strong winds for tomorrow. We're in alert mode with those gusts. It could be 60 to 70 miles per hour, clearing it out for the weekend, and then mid-60s next week. Northern mountains, snow and blowing snow could create some difficult travel, bad visibility. Santa Fe, a chance of a snow or blowing snow shower with gusty winds tomorrow. You're quiet for the weekend. 60s in Santa Fe for next week. And right here in the metro, Bernalillo, Rio Rancho, Los Linus, and Belen. It's going to be a cold, blustery day with those winds out there and a chance of a snow shower. And then we're quiet for the weekend with cool temperatures. But next week, look at that. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 70-degree temperatures close to record warmth by Thursday. Nice.
Thumbs up. All right.